You may think your drinking water is clean, but take a closer look. Invisible to the naked eye, a single milliliter of water can contain up to 80,000 bacteria. Regardless of whether your water is pulled from a private well or cleaned by your city, there's a continuously growing number of harmful bacteria and viruses that make getting clean water more difficult each day. So what can be done to stop germs like these from invading our most important resource? Well, we may be in luck. Research shows that the answer could be ultraviolet water disinfection systems, or UV for short, which can be 20,000 times more efficient than even boiling your water. Here's how they work. The system is composed of four main components: a controller, a chamber referred to as the reactor, a quartz sleeve, and a specialized ultraviolet lamp. It installs directly onto existing infrastructure, an essential feature for any widely adopted solution to the problem. Simply turn on the faucet and water is pulled through the pipes like normal, only this time it's forced to pass through the reactor. It's here that the bacteria and viruses are bombarded with ultraviolet waves, rendering them inactivated and unable to reproduce. This makes them harmless to the human body. Unlike other solutions such as chlorine, UV water purifiers leave no chemical traces or smells. When sized correctly, a UV system can eliminate 99.99% pesky bacteria and viruses, leaving you with peace of mind. Now I'll drink to that.